students, today we will learn about working with MS Access 2010. A database is an organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and efficiently. Let us understand this through an example. Unknowingly, we all use database in our daily life. We maintain our personal address diaries, wherein we record addresses and telephone numbers of our friends. We maintain the information alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we could browse and extract the information quickly. From time to time, we keep on adding new addresses and also update the contact numbers and postal addresses of our friends if there is any change. All these operations that we perform, like adding, updating, sorting, editing, deleting, etc., are the functions of a database. Telephone diary, a dictionary maintaining a list of students and their addresses, keeping their records pertaining to academic and co-curricular achievements, list of groceries in a grocery store, catalog in a library, list of customers in a bank, maintaining employees' information in offices and organizations, etc., are the examples of different types of database. Students note that to save the database, press Ctrl plus S key combination or choose Save option from the File tab. Okay students, can you quickly give any real-life example of database apart from the given one? It is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of records, as the chances of committing errors increase. A computerized record-keeping system is a collection of programs that enables you to store, modify and extract information from a database known as DBMS, Database Management System. It saves our time and energy. Moreover, to a great extent, it reduces the chances of errors creeping into the database. Therefore, data handling using DBMS becomes fast and efficient. Students, note that Microsoft's SQL Server is an example of DBMS that serves database requests from multiple users. Quick quiz: what is the difference between a file and a database? Before moving forward, let us first discuss about types of database. There are mainly two types of database. Flat file database. A flat file database refers to the data files that contain records which have a small fixed number of files without any structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. Relational database. A relational database stores data in several tables and links those tables together to get a common piece of information. For example, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. Let us take a quiz. What are the different database objects in Microsoft Access? Students, now let me tell you about structure of database. A database contains a specific structure to store data. Let us study about some basic terminologies used in a database that will help us in getting acquainted with the functioning of a DBMS. Tables. Tables are the building blocks of a database. They store the complete data in a structured manner, that is, in the form of rows and columns. Every table has a finite number of columns and rows. Elements of a table. Fields. All the columns in a table are called fields. A field describes a specific attribute of all the records in a table as shown in the figure. For example, the field that mentions the roll number of the table, students will store the roll numbers of all students. Records. The rows in a table are called records. A record contains the values for all the fields that belong to a single person or an entity. For example, when we enter data of all the fields such as roll number, first name and marks for a given student, it creates a new row in a table, which is called a record. Data. A set of characters that represent a valid value is known as data. For example, Sandeep, 89, 79 and 60 are the data values for the specific fields of the following table, students. Queries. A database stores vast amount of data, but queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Queries are also used to perform actions such as delete, update, etc. on the data based upon some criteria, conditions. Forms. Forms are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitate the process of entering data in tables and queries. A form has an attractive interface that accepts data from the user and forwards it to the corresponding table or query. Reports. Reports are used to display selected data in a printable format. Reports collect the summarized data from one or more tables or queries and organize it in a printable form. Alright students, now we will learn what is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, that serves as an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. It organizes data in the form of tables. It provides the facility to create relationship between these tables by using common fields. A relational database prevents duplication of data. Another important feature of Access is that you can add, update, delete, view data and establish relationship by using forms, find and retrieve data in a desired way by using queries, and print data in a specific layout by using reports. Some other popular RDBMS are Sybase, Oracle, SQL, Structured Query Language. Alright students, let us know more. The standard file name extension for database in Microsoft Office Access 2010 is .accdb.